Hello folks, it's time to meet another member of the team. So this is Bodi. Now Bodi is our common buzzard, or European buzzard, or Eurasian buzzard, whichever name you want to pick on the day. This is in fact the most common species of bird of prey found in the UK today. However, that's not why they're called a common buzzard. The reason they're called a common buzzard, for that one, we need to look at their scientific name. Because again, this one has a double-barreled scientific name. It is Buteo buteo. Now, generally when we see a double-barreled scientific name, it's usually because it was the first one that was scientifically recorded, hence why it's known as a common buzzard. However, as we said, it is the most common species of bird of prey found in the UK today, and you will pretty much see these birds everywhere. And one of the reasons for their success, after nearly becoming completely extinct in the UK, if we go back kind of 20-30 years, we very rarely saw these birds, and the only place we really saw them was in areas of very low kind of crop farming. So areas like the Brecon Beacons, the Lake District, the Highlands of Scotland. They were struggling because of pesticides and stuff that were being used. Now, once most of these pesticides were actually banned, these birds were able to basically feed on anything that was going. Well, they'll quite happily hunt everything from levits, young hares, to rabbits, to pigeons and ducks and everything in between. But you're just as likely to see one of these birds on the green of your local golf course pulling up all the worms. So they are very, very, very opportunistic as far as food's concerned, hence why now they're pretty much everywhere. Now, one thing that's quite fun about buzzards is they are complete individuals in their markings. You will never get two buzzards with exactly the same markings. Now, I work with Bodi's brother as well, who is a lot darker than what Bodi is, with a little white patch on his belly. So if you've got wild buzzards in the area, if you take a few photos, literally within a couple of weeks, you're going to be able to tell who's who and what's what. Because every single one has their own complete individual markings. Now, Bodi's quite happy chatting away to me at the moment because I think she thinks she's going to get some more food. But we're going to leave that one there for you. Now, thank you very much for watching again, folks. If you want to stay tuned for our next kind of video on our team members, then please make sure that you follow, subscribe, and like all our videos as well. And hopefully we'll see you all again soon for our next team member.